back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be finishing off the modes. We're going to be doing Locrian today. You're going to take your pointer finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the E string, and then you're going to go to the 3rd and the 5th fret. Do the same thing on the A string. And then you got 2, 4, 5 this time on the D string, and then the same exact thing on the G. And then you got 3, 5, 7 for the B string. And then you got your extra credit, which is the same thing you did on the B. And that's the whole position for this particular mode. And Locrian, you're probably never going to use it. It is very strange, it's very dark. I can't come up with a single chord progression that you could play it over because you can't do minor, you can't do major. You can't even do a power chord because this note's in there, the 5th. But in the mode you just learned, that's the note that you would be using, so can't use this one. So I guess the chord that you could play it over would be this. Very dark. Probably wouldn't even play it over any sort of chord progression. I mean, you might, but anyways, you can just use the position to your advantage when you're playing over other modes, because a mode is just simply scooting the same exact scale around and just starting at a different spot when you have a different chord progression going. So again, you've learned all 7 different positions, and you could say that E minor or E Aeolian is the same thing as D Mixolydian. Right? You could say that that's the same as C Lydian. But anyways, you get down to this Locrian, and it's just, I don't know what to tell you. I guess I saved the weirdest one for the end. You know, the same exact scale across the entire fretboard now. When you hear a particular chord progression, try to figure out what mode to use. And yes, good luck with that. You know all of the positions now. Good luck, sir. Good luck.